Today I had to change a tire on my Frontier. The spare is underneath the bed of the truck. You can see I'm lowering it here using the tool they give you in the tire change kit. This is the chain that lets the spare tire down. The spare tire is attached by a bracket mounted horizontally through the spare tire. So you just need to turn it vertical and push it through the tire to remove it, like I show here. There's no real good place to stow this bracket and chain, so I'm just going to tie it up to prevent it from bouncing around a little bit. I'm going to loosen the lug nuts on the wheel while the truck is still on the ground. Then we're going to lift the truck. Unfortunately here, I forgot to set the parking brake, so as the truck comes off the ground, it starts to roll forward. I use some choice language and pull the parking brake. That was close. I get the truck in the air and loosen the lug nuts on the wheel the rest of the way. Get the tire with the nail in it off and put the spare on. I'm just going to get these lug nuts hand tight while the truck is still in the air. And I'm tightening the lug nuts using a star pattern. We're going to lower the truck and tighten the lug nuts the rest of the way using that same star pattern. And that's how you change a tire on a Frontier.